Hi guys, Darren here with another Airless Q&A video. What I'm going to do is replace the cartridge on the new Graco Contractor PC gun in a few easy steps. So I'll take you through it so you can get it done right there on the job site. So the first thing you'll want to do is remove with having gone through the safety relief procedure, you're removing the spray tip holder that has the spray tip on it. All right. The next thing, importantly, is that if you try to take off the needle, take off the cartridge right now, it's going to be very tight. So it's very important that you do press in and pull up the locking mechanism. And here you'll see that, in fact, you need to make sure that that safety lock is off. And that will give you the room to be able to pull it up. And with the safety lock up, trigger mechanism comes up very easily. And with that, now this should be able to twist through freely. So if you find that this is in fact quite stuck in here, it's probably because you have the safety lock down or you have not released the mechanism at the top. So that's it. You've just got one cartridge in there. There is no O-ring at the opening. So you just have the cartridge and you'd replace that, pop it back in and screw it in. And again, you see we're not using any tools at all. And then you press it back down, it goes in with a click, and safety lock back on, and I just pop the spray tip holder and the spray tip. And that's it. I mean, that is the most simplest way we've seen to be able to replace the needle and wear and tear parts in a spray gun. And so there you have it. Thank you so much for watching.